The bird that flies into the window like a kamikaze. The bird, he lost his mommy, and the bird, he fly into the window because he's crazy. Yes, like a bird. Oh, here comes the bird.
Before Barnum's American Museum, what he was an absolute genius at was taking an idea, building it in some manner or another, sending out vast men, professional enthusiasts, many times, into this
Round
to
two.
generate excitement for new exhibit on the county. So he really embraced a lot of
On his audience, the public would accept humbug or fraud in the presentation of a curiosity, as long as it was entertaining.
A lot of people think that Barnum was the man who said there's a sucker born every minute. Anybody who spends more than 5 minutes studying Barnum finds immediately the line across Barnum's lips. The essence of Barnum's
The
success.
Scotian giantess who marries another giant, Captain Bates, and thus they become the world's tallest married couple.
the performers that exhibited themselves were paid and actually paid well. Often they were boarded on the upper floors of the American museums, and not all of Barnum's human curiosities.
What do you think its problem is, Alex?
I think it's retarded.
So it was that type of
It's been doing this for 3 days straight.